truth live from where they decree it. Sylvia speaks, no filter, no buffer. Courtroom drama couldn't get any tougher.
When the gavel's first bang, to the weakness stands tears. Sylvia's lens captures all your hopes and fears. Uploading justice one trial at a time. Tuning every moment, edges sublime.
Welcome to the Sylvia Show, oh yeah. She's got the inside scoop, don't you care? With every verdict, the suspense does grow. So hit subscribe, let's start the show. Welcome to the Sylvia Show, oh yeah. She's got the inside scoop, don't you care? With every verdict, the suspense does grow. So hit subscribe, let's start the show. Faces tell stories, the courtroom can't hide. Sylvia's insights cut through the divide. From jury talks to the lawyer's secret. In Sylvia's world, you know you'll need it. Behind the scenes where whispers are loud, her lens reveals the truth in the crowd. Courtroom secrets laid bare to see. Stay curious with Sylvia Spree. Every objection, every sharp retort, Sylvia's there to give you the report. Exclusive footage no one else can snag. From catchy headlines straight to the tag. Welcome to the Sylvia Show, oh yeah. She's got the inside scoop, don't you care? With every verdict, the suspense does grow. So hit subscribe, let's start the show. Welcome to the Sylvia Show, oh yeah. She's got the inside scoop, don't you care? With every verdict, the suspense does grow. So hit subscribe, let's start the show.
Faces tell.
Hey everybody, it's me, Sylvia. How you guys doing this evening? I just came to give you guys some update on what happened today at the Jackie Johnson's trial. You guys know the trial started last week on Tuesday. We had 2 days off because of the snow. We had Wednesday and we had Thursday off, and then we returned back on Friday. And on Friday, Judge Turner was trying to do 3 panels of jurors, and he was only able to do 2 panels. But out of the 2 panels, he got 22 qualified jurors, and he was looking for a total of 39 to qualify for jury so they can get some strikes, right? He's going to do 3 strikes for the alternate, right? But when I got there today, I decided to go, and I didn't travel yesterday. I decided to travel today, and I got there at about 2:30, and by the time I got there, they did a couple of jurors, and it ended up 2 individuals got dismissed, and so now he went down to 36 jurors. He's not doing 39, he did 36. So tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., he will have the panel seated and opening argument should begin. But to striking comes before the actual seating of the jurors. Okay, so he's gonna it's gonna be 2 alternate. He's not doing 3 alternate now. He's only gonna have 2 alternate and 12 jurors. So it's a total of 14 individuals that's going to be there for the case. And they anticipating the case is not going to go for more than 2.5 weeks, not months, 2.5 weeks. And so it's going pretty fast. But here's the most amazing thing that I noticed during the whole trial, that everybody knows everybody here. Everybody knows everybody. Everyone knows this person, that person, and then, let me tell you, the deputies, there was a couple of jurors that knew a majority of all the deputies there, right? Then they had jurors who knew Arbery's mom, because this last juror that they had today, juror 393, she worked with Arbery's mother 20 years ago. 20 plus years ago, she worked with her. She recognized her after being seated. She recognized that she was. So So it was pretty interesting that everybody, this is like a small community and everybody knows everybody. And one of the things that I showed you guys yesterday, and one of the things that I learned about was was Corey Sasser. They mentioned that the jurors mentioned that case where that he unalived his ex-wife and unalived her boyfriend, and that was a couple of things that the jurors was like they felt she was guilty, and she was like, um, they couldn't, they could not be impartial. So it's gonna be a tight case, I believe. That's what I see it going to be, very tight. It's interesting. It's not going to be live streaming. No live streaming. The judge made a ruling back in November 14th. That is, he made a ruling that we can show the footage after the trial, the date. You know, like for example, I'm going to attach my equipment to the camera, and then later on in the evening, every evening, I come back to the hotel room and show you guys what happened in court. So it's not real time, but it's going to be after real time type of information you're going to get. But I'm going to be here. Shout out to the individuals who supported me being here. They sponsored me to be here. I'm going to call out their names. But before I do that, I'm going to show you some footage, some pictures that was given to me by the camera guy. They had camera people. So he has some pictures, and I want to share this with you guys. Hold on a second. Let me go here. Go here, presented here. Here we go. All right, so you guys see this? And you guys, I know you probably say, hey, Sylvia, you need to put your watermark. I don't own it, so I'm not putting my watermark on it. I don't own it. It's the guy from the station. He's the one who took these pictures. So I get a picture of all the pictures that he does. I get a copy of all of them. All right. And this is Jackie Johnson, guys. Those who don't know who she is, that's her right here. And then you have her talking to one of the individuals that's in the courtroom. I don't know who that lady is, but you see she's all smiles right there. And this is the district attorney. I mean the general, what do you call it? The general attorney general's office. That's the attorney. That's the lead attorney for that. And as of course you see Adams, and then the I forgot her name. I gotta look at my notes. The lady, that's another. That I told you, Jackie has 5 individuals on her case, and this is one of the attorneys here, along with Mr. Steele and Mr. Adams. And this is Jackie right here. Mr. Steele is sitting down there. This is like when the juror, they asked her to stand so the juror could see who she was. That's what the picture is all about. And then you have the attorney, and then right here that you see that the attorney general is talking to, that is Ahmaud Arbery's mother. She was there. She was sitting in the front. She sits in the front behind the prosecution team. And also Mr. Meredith Lee, or Lee Meredith, I'm sorry, Lee Meredith. He was there. Her attorney was there today. So those are the pics that we got for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the little slide that I did. So, you say she's a heathen. Oh, Lord have mercy. Who's a heathen? Lord have mercy. Shout out to the X. I see you guys in here, X people. Hey, come on and type in here and let me know who's in here on the X side. But tomorrow all opening arguments start. So they're gonna do the strike, and then after the strike, they're gonna start with the opening argument. So I should be able to bring you guys the opening argument information, and if they have one testimony or whatever they're gonna have tomorrow. So I'll come back in the evening, every evening, to bring you update of what happened in court. Okay. Is there anyone else green spinning? He says screen is spinning. Y'all screen, my screen is spinning. I see it moving. So I don't know why your screen. Manette's screen is fine. I think it's just yours, Tyler. Everybody, nope, nobody's screen is spinning except yours. Yes, happy birthday to birthday people. Make sure you guys get your birthday thing in because I have to do my little music thing. Oh, okay. This is my little thing for the birthday folks that I made a song for the birthday people that had birthdays. So we're gonna play their birthday song. I didn't play it last week, but I'm gonna play it for them today. All right, this is for the birthday people.
Infa family January birthday celebrations. Celebrate January birthday fun with my Infa family. Join the celebration as we ring in the new year with a January birthday bash like no other. Get ready for a fun-filled day with my Infa family, filled with laughter, love, and unforgettable moments. From birthday cake to presents, we're sharing it all with you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to feel the joy and excitement of this special day. Happy birthday to our January babies. Ash, January 3rd, Robert Kelly, January 8th, Miss Fat, January 11th, Tracy, January 15th, Angel, January 19th, Stein, January 21st. Happy birthday to you. Ash, January 3rd, Robert Kelly, January 8th, Miss Fat, January 11th, Tracy, January 15th, Angel, January 19th, Stein, January 21st. Happy birthday to you. Ash, January 3rd, Robert Kelly, January 8th, Miss Fat, January 11th, Tracy, January 15th, Angel, January 19th, Stein, January 21st. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to the January birthday baby. So February folks, get ready. Send me your pictures, send me your stuff so I can put your birthday inside this little song that I'm gonna do for y'all. I'm gonna be a song specialist or whatever. Look, I wanted to tell you guys that for tomorrow I should be on like about 7 o'clock. Tomorrow, 7 o'clock, I'll be on to bring you guys an update from the case, okay? Okay, I'm gonna be on tomorrow from 7 to bring you an update, and you guys get a chance to see the opening argument, and it should be exciting. If you want to participate. Oh, okay, hold on. They sent me another set of pictures, y'all. Hold on. Oh, okay. I'm going to read this to you guys, what they said to me. All right. It says here, listen. It says, former Judicial District Attorney Jackie Johnson with her defense attorney Brian Steele during the qualification of her trial in Glenn County Superior Court on charges of obstruction and violation of her oath of office. The prosecution of a former investigator who was convicted of murder in the gunshot lane of Ahmaud Arbery, Terry Dickerson. Okay, that's who did that story. Okay, then he says, the prosecutor's name is John Fowler. That's the prosecutor's name. He says prosecutor talks to Wanda Cooper Jones, the mother of the murdered victim Ahmaud Arbery during the. Oh, you know what? I'm going to show you the picture again. So I'm going to show you guys so I can tell you who's who. Okay, hold on, because that's what he's doing. He's showing us Hold on, so I can give you guys a rundown who's who. Because remember, I just said I didn't know who this person was. Well, he just sent me a thing to give me a little outline of who's who. So I'm going to help us to figure it out here, okay? I'm going to bring up the picture back again. And then I'm going to share it. And you guys can see who this is. Okay. Now, this picture is a picture of Mr. John Fowler, along with Miss Wanda Cooper Jones. That is Ahmaud Arbery's mother. Right, it says during a break in jury selection Monday in the trial of former New Brunswick Judicial Circuit District Attorney Jackie Johnson, who is accused of obstruction of justice and violation of her oath office in the prosecution of Arbery's killers. Now the next picture is, okay, next one. This picture here is a picture of Mr. John Fowler along with Keith Adam. And then this is Kimberly Coleman. That's who that lawyer is. The lady right there standing beside Keith. That's Kimberly Copeland. I'm sorry. I said Copeland. Copeland. All right. That's who that is. And then it says here that Jackie Johnson shared a laugh with a supporter at the end of the qualification jury. Okay, this is a person that was a supporter of hers, and she's sharing laughs with her. And then it says here, District Attorney Jackie Johnson carries out a file of, okay, let's see what she's carrying out. Okay, this is her carrying out a file of paperwork that she has. If you see the tabs, that's because she's working on her case as well, along with Keith and Mr. Steele. So that's what the pictures are all about. He came back to give me a description. He just sent those descriptions to me just now. So, all right, guys. Is there any question on regards to what you guys just? I'm glad he did send me a description, so I'll know who was what. So I didn't know who was that. Will not be. No, it will not be live streaming. How is Steele's patience with the jury? Steele was very patient. He was very patient with him. He was very patient. He was laid back and easygoing. The jurors are pretty good. But the thing that I saw, I mean, the only complaint that I had is everybody knows everybody. Yes, Lee Merritt was there. That is the attorney for Ahmaud Arbery's mother. That's her attorney. She was there. He was there in the courtroom. The guy didn't take a picture of him, but he was there. Okay. Lucretia said, will it be? No, it's not going to be televised. Nope. I'm going to show you uploads at the end of the day. We're going to go and watch the upload. Is there support? Is there support there for Arbery? As far as a crowd of people, the courtroom is pretty closed and quiet. I just want to tell you, Fulton County and all these other counties need to learn from Glenn County's deputies. Those are the most professional, most friendly, most guided together team of deputies. Those people are the best in all the cases and trials I've ever been to. Those are very, and then you follow the rules because they're so respectful to you. They just so nice. And they're firm, but they're very, very nice. I really, really like them. I really like being in that courtroom. I'm like, I could be here all day, every day, because those people are so respectful. They're not like Fulton County is the worst. They got the worst. They have no personality. They're disgusting. They mistreat people so badly. Did you see the video when the guy pushed one of the people? They just so disrespectful. Fulton County, the leader sucks. Who the state's going to bring in witness? I know Miss Arbery's mom, Miss Cooper, is going to be there. Miss Cooper Jones, she's going to be a witness. They're going to have a couple of witnesses. Man, I'm telling you, Steen, that I keep telling them. Even one of the AJC guys, we were telling the deputies there. I mean, they are all like that, very respectful, very professional. They look like marshals. I mean, and they dress very like they. When I tell you professional, professional, very professional. I'm telling you. Because when I got there, I had to show my Rule 22, and I had my camera, and they told me I couldn't bring my camera, so I had to go back out to my car and take my camera out because I'm able to bring my phone, I'm able to bring my laptop, and because they have a pool person for the camera, so I couldn't bring my camera in. But everything else that I had, it's very easy. I went through the little metal detector, they checked my stuff, and very respectful. They call me ma'am, and I mean, just so respectful, respectful. I mean, everywhere I went, they were like, "Oh, you're back." I said, "Yeah." And I mean, I love that courtroom. Love it, love it, love it. Love the judge. I mean, just respectful. When I tell you respectful, no complaints. Very good experience. And all of them are like that. Every single body that's in that building, I'm talking about like security, they all like that. The best. Yeah, I just need to visit their courtroom. The best. And I tell you, the best, the best. Treat their prisoners the best. Respectful. Respectful. I'm telling you, respect. So that's all I have to say about that. I mean, you asked Shadi from AJC how respectful those people are. I love it there. I could do a whole every case that I could go down there and just do cases alone. That's how wonderful the atmosphere is. Thank you, Sylvia. Everyone that were able to financially support Sylvia is able to follow this case. Hopefully, she gets info from Lee Merritt. Oh, let me tell you, Redette, he added me to his list. And he asked who I was, right? And I told him his assistants. She's been there every day, and so they asked to put me on their press release. So I'll be getting information from them as well. But I'm just telling you, y'all, this is the best experience I've had with all the cases. Because I've done federal, I've been in New York, I've been in Chicago, I've been to different states, and this is the best one. I'm just gonna tell y'all, this is the best. This is the best one. I'm talking about as far as respect and the way they run that courtroom. They run a smooth ship. He's talking about Arbery's case into the United States nation. When is he doing that? Oh, I need to talk to him tomorrow then. When is he doing that? When is he doing that? I got to make sure she has my right email addresses and stuff. Okay, I'll talk to him tomorrow. I'll talk to him. But those who wants to support me in making sure I'm here, I have Cash App, Vimo. This is the way you can support me here. Hold on a second. Let me just mods. One of y'all, could you put my Okay, this is how you can support me. This is my Cash App. It's at infamous Sylvia, no, $ infamous Sylvia. PayPal is drmomo@yahoo.com. Zelle is sparks1565@gmail.com or 770-856-3091. Vimo is at Sylvia Parks. Apple Pay is at 770-856-3091. Those are my Kendrick Johnson. Who's Kendrick Johnson? What's that case about? Who's Kendrick Johnson? Oh, guys, don't forget, on the 30th, you have Jeffrey Williams' brother case. I won't be back for that. Anybody have any questions? X people, do you guys have any questions? The student claim rolled himself up in the gym. Oh, where is that one at? Where's that case at? That's the one. Is that in down here? Is that down here? Is that down here? Is it down here in Glenn County? It's in Valdosta. Okay. When does that one start? Should I put a Rule 22 for that one too? Go down to that court? When is it? It depends on when it is. How long it says it's gonna last? Okay, thank you. I'm sorry, I'm reading the messages, y'all. Okay. They're asking about Kendrick Johnson's case. Those who are not in, who can't see the other people in the chat, the YouTube folks are putting some stuff inside here. I don't see anything from X people. I don't see any messages from X. I only see YouTube. X people, are y'all in here? Let me know you're in here because I see the numbers have gotten high, so y'all got to be in here. Okay, guys, I'm about to would anybody like to come up while we Kendrick Johnson. Let me look it up. Kendrick Johnson. So who's being held responsible? I don't see anything updated for the case. So who can send me the information on it? I don't see any updates, y'all. I don't see any updates on it. Anybody have any 411 on that? Oh yeah, I get him on the channel. I'm gonna ask me tomorrow if I can get him on the channel. I'll send him the link and see if he after we do our live, see if I could talk. He can talk on the live. We'll do that. We'll do that. I'll ask him. What's my email? Sparks1565@gmail.com. Sparks1565@gmail.com. Tomorrow, when I see him, I'll ask him, Renette. I didn't get a chance to talk to him today because, I was late. because I drove down from Atlanta. I didn't get there till 2:30, and by the time I got there, it was over. It was like two jurors that they needed to speak to. They put them on the stand, and then it was a black guy and a white lady. The white lady worked with Arbery's mom. Okay, guys, I'm about to leave and I will catch you guys later. Those who are interested, I have some update in regarding to Nesto's case. Check my email. Okay, hold on. It said check my email. Hold on, y'all. Let me check my email. All right, it says here Kenneth Johnson criminal file complaint against former Loudons County Sheriff Department, former Valdosta Loudons crime laboratory investigator, more complaint imminent. On January 15, Loudons County Sheriff Office received Kenneth Johnson's criminal complaint against former Loudons, I don't even know how to say that, Loudons County Deputy Sheriff and current Chief of Police for the city of Hiram, Georgia, and former Valdosta Loudons Regional Crime Laboratory investigator James Thornton for accessory to the murder of his son Kendrick Johnson, concealing evidence and filing false and fictitious official report. All felonies under the official code of Georgia atonement. Oh God. The criminal complaint was addressed to the Sheriff Ashley Polk and read in part, the new evidence shows the unmistakably imprints of tread marks from the sole of the shoe on Kendrick's abdomen. Exhibit 1. A clear, okay, I gotta make this big. I can't see. Hold on a second. Dang, that's what it was. I couldn't see. All right, now it says, a clear sign he was kicked and stomped and indicated foul play and blunt force trauma. Both Jones and Thornton content in their report that there were no external signs of trauma or injuries to Kendrick's body, that yet they took pictures showing a multitude of injuries, the latest being the shoe print on Kendrick's abdomen, making both of these men guilty of filing false reports, concealing evidence, and accessory to murder after the fact. Kenneth Johnson, the father of the slain teens, stated, folks need to be on notice that anyone and everyone who filed a false report regarding the murder of Kendrick, the Johnsons are coming for you. We're just getting warmed up. Mr. Johnson continued, at this point, the evidence is clear. Stride and James are unindicted felons, and the only place they should be is state and federal prison. The rest of their lives, for the rest of their lives, more criminal complaints to come. Okay, that was a press release on that one. Okay. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate it. All right. They have a documentary on Netflix. Okay. Okay. I'll go check it out. Thank you, All Access Sport Media. I appreciate it. Please continue to send me some more stuff. continue, please, so I can keep up on that. And now I'll do that case as well. But just gotta let me know when it is, because I don't have any information on that case. I know they I know they removed his organ. That's like a while back. I remember that. Yeah, I'll follow up on that case too. All right, guys. I gotta go to Walmart because I gotta get an earpiece because tomorrow, y'all, I have my hearing on my case. I have 2 cases that I have to deal with. I'll be in court for myself tomorrow on Zoom here, so I'll still be here in court. And then I have to go to I'll be in court on the 7th and the 10th of February. So, guys, keep me in prayer because I'll be going to court myself to dealing with these YouTubers. This one particular one anyway. But I'm leaving it in God's hands. So I will see you guys very, very soon. And don't forget, I have some update on Nesto's case. Okay. It's not going to be luck, Renee. It's going to be God. It's in God's hand. God, we don't operate in luck when to deal with God. So, no luck. Luck is hit and miss. All right, my darlings. I will see you guys later. I keep saying I got to go, but I'm going to go for good this time. All right. God bless you all. May the Lord watch between me and thee while we're absent one from another. Good night, everybody. Love y'all. Bye.
Thank you for watching the infamous Sylvia channel, where laughter and fun make up our panel. Together we build this digital spree. We appreciate you and our growing family. With mods by our side and chat flowing free in this online space. It's just you and me, we laugh until tears roll down like the rain. In this virtual world, you ease all my pains. We're a family, not just a show. Every click and comment makes us grow. Mods and chat, keeping the vibe so right. Together we shine like stars in the night. We cherish the moments, the highs and lows, from the latest gossip to stories untold. You're more than a viewer, you're part of the crew in this space of ours. It's all because of you. This digital world where emotion is shared, every post and reaction showing we care. The love is real in this virtual domain. With every sign, enjoys what we'll gain. We're a family, not just a show. Every click and comment makes us grow. Mods and chat, keeping the vibe so right. Together we shine like stars in the night. We're a family, not just a show. Every click and comment makes us grow. Mods and chat, keeping the vibe so right. Together we shine like stars in the night. this digital world where emotion is shared. Every post and reaction showing we care. The love is real in this virtual domain. With every sign, enjoys what we'll gain. We're a family, not just a show. Every click and comment